In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now scroll to click on those icons at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher to switch them off or turn them on. And when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wanna customize it though, which is my personal favorite option, go into the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. If you wanna manage this theme or any other theme you have, go into the same settings one last time. Click on it, and to get rid of it, use this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Or edit it. It only works with a custom ones by clicking pen icon next to the bin one. Then make any changes you want. And make sure to tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!